students. How are you all? I suppose that you all are doing well and safe at home. As today is the first virtual class of English grammar, today we are going to start with grammar. So, I welcome the entire students of class 1 over here. My name is Ms. Rashmi Chetri, your English teacher. So far as we have done English literature, right? So today we are going to start with English grammar, okay? So this is the book that we are going to follow today. So have a look at the book, and the name of the book is Collins English Grammar and Composition. I suppose that you all have got this book, and I kindly request you all to take out this book and let's study together, okay? So once again I'm telling you the name of the book. It's Collins English Grammar and Composition, okay? So we will start with the first chapter, and the first chapter is open to page number 11. If you turn to page 11, then you will get this type of image, that is chapter number 1. And the name of the chapter is The Alphabet and Alphabetical Order. We have already learned, you all have already learned in UKG, in your previous classes, the alphabets, the letters, I think you have learned about alphabetical order also. If not also, don't worry, I am here to explain you the same thing. As how many letters are there in English alphabets? Very easy question. There are total 26 letters in English alphabet. Right? Now what is alphabetical order? That today we are going to discuss. Okay? Just see, what if I say D comes after A or H comes after D? Is it correct? No, it is not correct. It has A to Z. Starting from A to Z, it has a sequence manner. Like what comes after A? It's B, then C, then D. Means it is in a sequence manner. Now we can't pick the letters from the middle and we throw it in the first one, or we can't pick the letter Z and we put it in the first one, right? Because alphabets is in sequence manner, like A, then after B, then C, D, in this way. So we can't pick any letters and we can't place it anywhere. Okay, all the letters in English alphabet they have their own place. Okay, so that's what is alphabetical order. Okay, now you can see here in your book. Let's get started. You can see over here what is this in the picture? It is an alphabet train, right? Here is a picture of a train. And what does this train consist? What does it have? It has alphabets. Just see, do you know how many letters are there in English alphabet? Just now I told you there are total 26 letters in English alphabet. Okay? Now read the letters in alphabet train. So this is alphabet train. Okay? So let's read A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay? So this is arranged as an alphabetical order. Okay? So now turn the page. What do we see here is, see, read this list of words. Look at the first letter. We have to read this word and we have to focus in the first letter. Okay? That is the first letter. See, you can see in your book it is written in bold. See, A-N-T ant, B-N-T bat, C-A-T. Means all these words are arranged in alphabetical order. Means from A, then B. It is not written as like A-N-T ant, then after C-A-T cat, then after E-double-G-A. No, it is not written in this way. It is written in a sequence manner, like A, B comes after A. First A, then B, then C, then D. In this way it is written. So that's what is called alphabetical order. Okay? To arrange the words, to arrange the group of words in a sequence manner, very similarly like we write in alphabets, like A, B, C, D, in this way. Okay? So what it is written, point your finger and read aloud with me. Okay? The words in this list are given in the order of the letters of the alphabet. A comes first, then B comes after, and C comes after B. This is how it is in the English alphabet. Yes, in this way only we write. Now the first letter is A, then comes B, then comes C, then comes D. है ना? So writing words in the order of the alphabet is called alphabetical order. Writing the words in an alphabet manner. Suppose A-W-P-L-E apple, B-A-T bat, then C-A-T cat. What now? Focus in the first letter A, B, C, D. Now, so that's what is called to arrange the group of words in an alphabetical order, in just like alphabets. Okay. So now here we have almost done what is alphabetical order, है ना? So let's see what is the question. Riya wants to find her way to home. Now she can only step on circles with the letters on them. Write the missing letters and help Rina reach home. So this is a girl named Rina. She wants to reach her home. Now some of the letters are missing. Okay, she can only go back to her home if there are the letters written. Okay, she has to move through the letters, but here the letters are missing. So what you have to do? You have to fill these circles with letters like A, then B, C, D is already written, E, F, G, then H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so in this way you have to write the entire letters, those are missing, in capital. Okay, so in this way you have to do this. Now the second question is, write the names of the animals and birds and arrange them in alphabetical order. Okay, so this one is, first what you have to do, you have to write the names of these pictures and then you have to arrange it in a alphabetical order. Suppose this is a cat, C-A-T cat, F-R-O-G frog, L-I-O-N lion, P-E-A-C-O-C-K peacock, H-E-N hen, and R-A-B-B-I-T. Okay, this I'm going to show you on the board. Okay. Okay, this part I'm going to show you on the board. Okay, just have a look at the board. The first picture tells it is cat, है ना? The first picture. And secondly, it is frog, F-R-O-G frog. Okay, write the names. Okay, along with me. Then the third one is H-E-N hen. Then fourth is lion, L-I-O-N lion. Then next is peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K peacock. Then the next is rabbit. Okay. So these are the words that are written, that are given in your book. Okay. So now we have to focus in the first letter and we have to arrange it as A, B, C, D. Okay. Just like English alphabet, English letters. So the A word, first letter A is not there. Just focus in the first letters of each word. A is not there. B is also not there. C is there. So first you have to arrange. First you have to write cat. Okay. Then D is also not there. E is also not there. Then F is here. Then write F-R-O-G frog. F. Then G is not there. H is there. So write hen. H-E-N hen. I is not there. J, K is not there. Then lion. L-I-O-N, lion. Then M-N-O is not there. Here comes P for peacock. So write on peacock. Okay. Now P, Q is not there. R. Okay. So in this way you have to arrange it. You have to do this in your book also and in your exercise book also. Okay. So chapter number 1 is completed. All these things you will get in the school website. You can collect the materials from there also for a brief description. Okay. So now we will move on to chapter number 2. That is naming words. Very simple naming words. What are naming words? The names that are given to each person, whether place, animal, thing, anything. That all names, all the things that we see around us have some name, enough. Like what do you see? Like right now, what do you see? If you look around yourself, what will you find? You will find a bed. If you are at your home, you will find a bed, comb, toothbrush. Each and everything that we see, even ourselves, we also have some name, enough. That's what is called naming words, and it is called a noun. Okay. Noun is the name of a person. Noun is the name that is given to a person, place, animal, or a thing. Okay. Like, so everything has a name. I also have a name. You also have a name. Your mother over here. Look at the picture. Name the things you see in the picture. All people, places, animal and things around us have a name. As I told you, all the things that we see around us has some name, and that's what is called noun. Okay. So you have to name the picture over here. Okay. So, okay dear students, just have a look at the board. We are going to do this one. Let's get started. Okay. You have to look at the picture and name the things you see in the picture. I'm not going to write all the names. Okay. I'm going to write few names and the rest you have to do it by yourself. Okay. So, what do we see? Some of the words are like sky. You can see a sky. Okay. Over here. And then you can see a house. Okay. Clouds also you can see. Then number 3 you can see river. You will get in your picture as you can see in your book also. Then you will find the trees. And number 5, excuse me. Then you will get house also over there. Then number 6 you will get donkey also. Okay. These are the words that we have found and I have written on the board. Now rest, I am not going to write each and every word, but rest you have to do it by yourself. And it is very easy. See what I have written: dog, donkey, house, So sorry, this is cow, this one is donkey. Okay. So rest, there are many things that you can write. They are grass, boy, teddy, dog, then stone, then trees, all these things. In this way you have to write. Okay. So total there are total 20 names you have to find out from the pictures. Okay. Try to do it by yourself. If you can't do, then there is you can visit the school website and you can collect the materials from there also. Okay. Now if you turn the page to page number this 14, you will get something like this. Name of the things. Here are the pictures of some things. Their names are in the box. Write the name of each thing under its picture. You can see in the column, right, blue column, there are some words and here are some pictures also. Now you have to write this name according to the pictures. Just have a look at the board. I am going to do it. Okay. So that's page number 14 and question number A. Okay. Number A. What do you see first? First one is comb. Okay, C-O-M-B, comb. Number 2 will be bottle. Okay, students, just write down along with me. Okay, number 3 is banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Number 4 will be book. Okay, B-O-O-K, book. Number 5 will be pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Number 6 is chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Number 7 will be apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Number 8 is shoe. S-H-O-E, shoe. And number 9 will be bag. Okay. So this is for page number 14, question number 8. So these are the pictures, these are the names that you will find. Okay. The pictures you will get, but it's not possible for me to draw each and every picture, but I have written here the names just for you all. Okay, try to do it by yourself, and if you can't do, the answer is over here. Alright, now what have you understood? That noun, a naming word means the names. A noun is a name given to a person, place, animal, things. Like the name of this is, what is in my hand? Marker. So this is a marker. My name is Rashmi. This is a copy, table, chair, bottle. Okay, these all are naming words, means noun. Alright, so now turn the page. It's page number 15. Okay, so these are, in that page what we have done, the name of the things. Now we are going to write name of animals. Okay, here are the pictures of some animals and birds. Match each animal with its name. So number 1 is, what is number 1? It's monkey, and where the monkey is written here, match it. Number 2 is giraffe. Giraffe is written here, match it. Number 3 is parrot. Where the parrot is written? Over here, match it. 4th is elephant. Where is elephant? Here, match it. Then what is this? tortoise. Where is tortoise? Here, match it. In this way you will complete all this, okay? That in that page, in the previous page, we have learned the name of the things. Here we are learning name of animals and birds, okay? In this way, complete this exercise also. And names of people, page number 16, names of people, okay? So it's the same thing. This is the name of the people, and we have to write the names following this picture, okay? So have a look at the board, everyone. Let's write, okay? This is number C, है ना? So first one is, in the first picture, what do you see? A man teaching on the board, okay? So first will be teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Number 2 will be doctor. Okay, in this way, write the first letter in capital letter, alright? Number 3 is painter, P-A-I-N-T-E-R, painter. Number 4 is farmer, F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. Number 5 will be driver, D-R-I-V-E-R, driver. Number 6 is dancer, D-A-N-C-E-R, dancer. Number 7 is tailor, T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. Number 8 is singer, S-I-N-G-E-R, singer. And the last one is actor, okay? A-C-T-O-R, actor. In this way you have to follow the names, follow the pictures and write the names, okay? Now names of things are also over, names of animals and birds are also over. Now names of people are also done. Now we will write names of places, okay? So again the same thing, you have to follow the picture and write the names, okay? Write the names, the clue is, the hint is already given. So what is this? What do you see here? This is a park, P-A-R-K, park. Number 2 is post office. Here the spelling you will get here and here itself. Number 3 is, what is number 3? It's forest, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. It is written over there only, here. Number 4 is airport. Number 5th is hospital. Number 6 is bus stop. Okay, in this way you have to write down. It's very easy. Spellings are already given. Okay. So now in this page, what you will get? Excuse me. You have now learned that we use words for naming, है ना? Some words are the names of things. Some words are the names of people. Some words are the names of places. These words are all naming words. Yes, we have learned the name of things, places, animal, birds. These all are naming words, okay? So write these names in the correct column. So here, the column is already given. Okay, you have to follow the picture. You have to follow this column and you have to write the names according to this column, okay? Let me show you. First, you have to write the name of the people. Nurse, father, okay, baby will come under people. Now for places, hills, alright, city, garden, these are the names of places. For animals, zebra, donkey, cat, names of animals. Things, names of things are eraser, then box, okay, train, all this comes under things, okay. In this way you have to complete this one also, this exercise. Now if you turn the page to page number 19, what you will get? Circle the naming words in the box. Now what are the naming words? We have to find out that one, okay. So what we are going to do is here, let's see, okay, I'm going to write on the board. Just follow the board, okay. Question number F, alright. This is question number F of page number 19, alright. So girl, circle the word girl, then cat, C-A-T, cat, then skirt, okay, circle all these words, okay. Then paper, P-A-P-E-R, paper, then shirt, alright, shirt, then rose, garden, rose, then garden, then TV, okay, then dog, umbrella, okay. In this way you have to circle all this, umbrella, then crow, then table, then desk. Alright, these all are the naming words, so circle all this thing. Now, circle the naming words. Circle the naming words in this sentence. So you have to circle the naming words in this sentence. Suppose, for an example, the lion is the king of the jungle. The lion is the king of the jungle. Lion is a naming word. King is a naming word. Jungle. We live in a city. City is naming word. Okay, circle it. Village. The village is near the river. Village and river is the naming word. Circle it. The children are playing. Children. Circle it. My cat drinks milk. Cat and milk is a naming word. Circle it. Raju goes to school every day. Raju and school is a naming word. So circle it. Now, look at the picture and fill in the blanks with the naming word. There are many animals in a zoo. We study in a school. Dash fish lives in a water. We play in a park. Okay. So in this way, we have already done this. Okay. Now in this way you have to complete chapter number 1 also. Chapter number 2 means explanation we have already done, and I hope that you all have understood. You have to do the exercise by yourself. Now let's move on to chapter number 3. Okay. So now dear students, open to page number 20. Chapter number 3, common names and special names. So now what are they? We have already learned the naming words, and we have learned what is naming words, the names that are given to person, place, animal or anything that are naming words. Now what are common names and special names? Common names are the general name that we say, like mother, father, okay, like table, desk, these all are general. Pets, animals. Suppose mother, okay, you have a mother and all of us, I also have a mother, we all have a mother, okay, so that mother word is a general, we say to each and every like women who are mother, okay, like father also, आपके पास भी पापा है, I also have father, we all have father, okay, so that father is also a general name, okay, means it is very general, common, so they all are called common names. Now for like one more example, like animals, birds, okay, all the animals and birds, they have some name, so they are called special name. But the word animals, birds, now if I say that which animal do you have, can you say, you will answer, I have a dog, its name is this, that is called special name. But if I ask that which if I'm talking about animal, then can you say particularly which particular animal I'm talking about? No, just as I have given you the example of mother and father, we all have a mother, we all have a father, parents, so they all are called common names. But special names are like, let's take an example of mother only, okay? Suppose I have a mother, my mother has some name, your mother also has some name, father, my father also has some name, your father also has some name. That's what is called special name, okay? Common names are very general, like animals, birds, mother, father, but special names are like my name is, I am a person, but my name is Rashmi. What is your name? And if we talk about animals, then I say that lion, tiger, and birds like sparrow, parrot, all these are special names, okay? So I hope that you have understood the difference between the common names and the special names, okay? Once again, let's see this definition. Naming words that are the general names for people, places, animals and things are called common names, and naming words that are used for one person, place, animal or things are called special names. Special names always start with a capital letter. Remember this thing? Special name always we should start with capital letter, and but the common names we can start with small letter also, okay? So now we will proceed to the exercise 1. Okay, here you can see the days of the week. If I say that only a week, then that is a common name. But if I say the name of each day, that is special names. Okay. Months of a year also, if I talk only about, if I only say month, that is a common name, and if I talk about each and every month's name of the months, then it comes under special name. Like the days of the week are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Months of the year, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay. So let's proceed to the exercise 1. Just have a look at the board. Page number 21, question number A. We have holidays on special days of the year. Can you think of 4 special days when you get a holiday in school? Write them. They are Dussehra, Diwali, Holi and Christmas. Okay. If you turn the page, question number B, complete the sentence using the special names. Number 1, the name of our country is India. Number 2, my favorite fairy tale is Cinderella. Number 3, Dash is a famous cricketer, Sachin. Number 4, Dash is the name of shoe company, Bata. Number 5, the first month of the year is January. Okay. Same page, question number C, circle the common names and underline the special names in the poem. Jane went in a plane. Jane is a this special name, so we have to underline the special name and we have to circle the common name. So Jane is a special name, we have underlined this, and plane is a common name, so we have to circle. Now to Spain. Jane went in a plane to Spain, but it started to rain and Jane felt the pain, so next time she is going by train. So what you have to remember here is you have to underline the special names. So the special names are Jane, Spain, again Jane, and you have to circle the common names. They are plane, rain, pain, again and train. Now for question number D, just have a look at the book. Underline the special names in this sentence, circle the common name. Okay. Again the same thing, you have to underline the special name. Sunday is a special name, so we have underlined it, and common name is school. So circle this. Prakash has a pet dog called Brownie. Prakash is a special name, Brownie is a special name, but dog is a common name. It usually rains in the month of July. Month is common name, July is a special name. Okay. We celebrate Christmas in the month of December. Christmas is a special name, month is a common name, and again December is a special name. So in this way, this I'm not going to do. It is very easy. You have to do it by yourself. Okay, students. Now turn the page and move on to question number E. Page number 23, question number E. Name the following: a day of a week, Monday; a month, July; an important festival, Dussehra; your best friend, Neha, or whoever your best friend are, write the name; your class teacher, write my name, Rashmi Miss. Number 6, a city, Siliguri; a river, Ganga river; a superhero, Batman. Okay. So number F, question number F, help Rob find the common names and special name and put them in the right basket. Write C or S on the words. Okay. So here, what you have to do, there are 2 baskets, so you have to write, you have to choose which are common names and which are special name. Okay. So the common names over here are, you can see in this column, some names are given. See, in this column some names are given. You have to categorize this as common names and special names. Now have a look at the board. Book, painting, toothpaste, bread, pencil, window comes under common. Sheila, India, Alex, July comes under special name. Okay. So in this way you have to do the exercise of chapter 1, 2 and 3. Okay. And along with this, you have to, I suppose that you all have got this book, that is Subla's cursive writing book. So what you are going to do is, if you open to page number 1, you will get the alphabets. Very easy, capital and small. Only the difference is you have to write in a cursive manner, because you need to develop the habit of writing cursive letters. Okay. So you will do it page number, just note down page number 1 to 20. Okay. No need to do panic. Okay, no need to be panic, because as this is homework, you have to do 2 pages each day, but you have to complete till 20. Okay, and write in a neat and clean handwriting. In all the pages, you will get the alphabets only in cursive letters. Okay, so start from 1 and end to 20. Okay, every day write in this way, the chapter is over. Let's meet up in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you so much.